Hey everyone, it's Jasmill, and today we are gonna do a at-home spa self-care ritual, and I've been getting so good at it that people actually want to pay me to do a facial for them. It's super relaxing, and I love being at home and kind of treating myself, taking care of myself, maintaining this body, and it's a luxury. Not a lot of people can do this, and if you want, you can go ahead and outsource these things. You can get manicures, you can get massages, you can get facials, but I love bringing the experience home. You are gonna have to purchase some tools and some things to achieve everything. Overall, it feels good to be able to do it for yourself. Like, I don't know if everything that I'm doing is 100% accurate or great for everyone out there, but this is what I've been doing. I'm gonna set the mood a little bit. So I took a shower and I have a brush for your skin, and I cleanse myself with Dr. Bronner's organic Castile soap with oils and essential oils. I love putting natural, simple things on my body. And then I have a homemade body butter that I slathered on myself afterwards. And also while in the shower, I made sure to cleanse myself. I also have this silicone textured pad that I use to get the cleanser really deep into my skin. This Pixie polish and peel fine facial scrub that I use on my skin as well. It's super light. I'm doing some aromatherapy right now. I have this incense that I'm gonna burn, and I've been burning it, but I'm gonna light a new one. How peaceful and relaxing the incense smell makes me feel. If you're spiritual, then you believe that it is cleansing the area, cleansing the energies. And something else that I have for aromatherapy, because I am extra, is this diffuser. I got this diffuser at Marshall's recently. It stays on for 8 to 10 hours, and it's able to hold more water than my previous diffuser. And I just put like 7 drops of essential oil. Oh, and the incense, I bought it at Walmart. My robe is from Walmart, and I love it so much. It's black and it has this trim right here that's really soft. And then I also did some yoga right before this, because I wanted to get in the mood even more. I wanted to feel more relaxed. So that's why I am very relaxed. My eyes are heavy. So the first step that you want to do to achieve an amazing and to start off your at-home facial, usually I like to shave and tweeze excess hair off the face, because shaving your face will just make it smoother. Over my face again, this is the Clio electric hair remover. And I love this little guy so much. So many different options too. I got this at Walmart again. Walmart is literally my life. I get so many things from Walmart. I was also like kind of shaving my hairline a little bit, but while it was growing in, it's like obvious that I shaved my hair. Now that your face is shaved, now we're gonna use a dermaroller. I got this off of AliExpress just because I wanted to try a cheaper version. But they sell it on Amazon, they sell it at Marshall's, they sell it at different places. It's a tool, and it has little tiny needles, like very tiny needles, but it pricks your skin, and it influences collagen production and also sends healing blood to the surface. But you don't want to use this on like open cystic acne or wounds or something like that. I feel like it'll just be too much. Rolling up, but if it's also a space where I don't really care about the tugging, I'll do back and forth like this. I really want to heal this right here. I don't know if you can see. And you just want to do this like 30 times on an area until you feel the blood flow. Start getting a little tingly and a little raw, but not really. You're not going to bleed or anything. Make sure after every use you disinfect your tools. I usually spray alcohol on all my tools afterwards. I do suffer from dry skin, especially in the wintertime. In the summertime, my skin gets normal, but this is what my skin looks like right now. I don't have too many bumps. Still been using this for the past 2 months, this Pixie Retinol Tonic. This is a very good price for the deal, and just a very good value, because this lasts a long time, especially if you just put it on your hands and you don't put it on a cloth or a cotton pad because it soaks up a lot of product. I like that this has retinol because they say it's a very important ingredient for your skincare. A new product that I've been using, but I've been really loving, is this e.l.f. Hydrating Essence. I haven't tried e.l.f. skincare at all in the past, even though I've been wanting to. I kind of have been like neglecting e.l.f. a little bit. Saw this at Marshall's and I really wanted to try it. It's kind of like a toner, but it's a step a little bit after, or a little bit stronger than a toner, I believe. It just helps your other products really absorb into the skin. It's really hydrating. It has coconut water, algae, and a bunch of other products. It has hyaluronic acid, which is great for your skin. I noticed that I'm starting to get those deep necklines. I just don't want my neck to look crazy too early, just because some people be having really crazy necks out there. I have this Pixie Rose Ceramide Cream. Thick and hydrating, but it's not crazy thick. You can use it day and night, and it's great for dry skin. My skin is now tingly and it's getting red, but don't be scared about the redness. Once you go to sleep and you put on your other oils and stuff, you'll be great the next day. They say that you shouldn't wear makeup after 24 hours after dermarolling. So this is e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. It's a massaging overnight recovery cream. This is amazing. Again, I saw it in Marshall's. I'm sleeping on e.l.f., but you know, I wanted to try it, and it has these cool little metal balls. This has argan oil, vitamin C, pomegranate extract, cariseed oil. Has a lot of good ingredients. So I'm just gonna squeeze some onto my face. An extra step that you can do, but you don't have to do, but I love it just to release tension and again create blood flow, is crystal rolling. And I also have this flat stone, crystal stone that came with this. Mad tension right here. Ooh, I love doing my forehead and my jaw specifically, and also the eyelid area. The eyelid area is so tense. See how much of a process this is? But again, it's so worth it. The last step to your skincare products should be a beauty oil. So we did the toner, we did the essence, we did 2 creams, and now we're doing a beauty oil. And this one is one that I did myself. I just mixed a bunch of carrier oils, rosehip oil, and sea buckthorn oil, and put drops of essential oils, but I try to do like the citrusy ones and the florally, herbally ones. Something else that I've been doing is I've been doing light therapy, LED therapy for the skin. And this little machine I got off AliExpress too, just because I wanted to save money. But again, if you do the free shipping from AliExpress, it takes forever to come. I want to help my skin look a little bit more brighter and want to heal my hyperpigmentation. About 3 days ago, I did the green light for redness, but today I just want to focus on the dark spots. And there's also 5 levels to the shock and the electricity that comes through this machine as well. It helps with the collagen production, and the different lights can be used for different reasons. Feel like it's something better than nothing. I put it on level 3 just because level 1 and 2 are too little, but level 4 and 5, it literally like shocks your skin so much and it like hurts. I want to show you guys how strong the shock is. When I put it near my eye, it like hits a nerve and it makes my eyeballs blink. Oh, those kind of get boring a little bit. Okay, the last final thing is to seal everything in, everything that we've worked so hard to do. So we're gonna do a sheet mask. You could do a cotton mask, a gel mask, but anything that is leavable. So you want to do something that you don't need to rinse, because I did that before. I had a mask, I put on a mask that I had to rinse, and I took all the skincare off that I just applied, and you don't want to have to, you know, waste all the skincare that you just applied. You want to leave it on at night. Covers your eyelids and it also covers your lips. So after I put this on, I'm actually gonna go to sleep. Look at this, filled with product. Wow. Oh, it feels so soft. Yes, eyeballs get all of this. Alright, this is pretty much it for the at-home facial spa experience. Make sure you get some time in to appreciate your body, your health, your mind. Give yourself some TLC.